So I don't have one mower to get running. I have 3 mowers to get running. So we're going to see how this goes. Just put the battery in after it's sitting all winter. I take the batteries and put in the house. That way they stay better instead of fighting the cold. So we'll see how this goes. I don't even remember if I had gas in it or not. So let's see what happens here. Wow, can't complain about that, fellas. That thing started up after sitting all winter. And I like about this one here is you can back up on the fly. And I'm going to be selling these little mowers. I got the 0 turn over there, so this is one I hate to really get rid of. But can't keep them all. That's pretty good. Sat all winter, stale gas and all. Fired right up. On to the next one.